Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we are going wood hounding for a special wood. Now this is a small, very small branch of a live oak, and you can see what's going on the side there and then right there in the middle. So if I show you, you see there's a lot of interesting activity inside this little tiny branch here. So basically the wood has spalting in it that forms what looks like these chambers, these cellular chambers. Now when you cut it, it ends up looking like this. Okay. Now I found this by accident. I got this little tiny piece of wood that I'd lopped off of a bigger branch, and then I saw that it looked like that. So then I cut into it, and this is what was revealed. So in my opinion, this is a very special form of the fungal growth inside of the wood, and I really want to get a hold of a lot more of it, but I have a very strong feeling that it's incredibly rare to find. So in today's adventure, we're going to go ahead and do a bunch of wood hounding out in the neighborhood, because Hurricane Milton was just over us, and it has caused a tremendous amount of yard debris to pile up in people's yards, and they're just setting all this yard debris out by the road. So we're going to go see what's in that yard debris. Here's just one example. Now this is laurel oak wood. This is going to be a lot more than I want to handle. That would be an amazing piece to take home because it's so big, and it's going to have a lot of figuring right there, all down that centerpiece. But yeah, this would be good to try to spalt all this, but this isn't what I'm looking for, and there's a lot of it. So let's go try to find something else. Well, there was a larger pile here, but now there's not much left. There's some small branches over there, but this is a live oak tree right here. And let's take a look at the end of this live oak branch. Okay, it's not showing what we're looking for, but I bet this could be converted if you had the right fungus. Let's look at these guys over here. So it looks like a few of these branches got left behind. Take a look at this. That's not looking bad at all. Look at that right there. Not what we're looking for. We're looking for something that's got some, some fungal growth. That looks good, but I don't need any more of this. Let's take a look at this one right here. Nope. So I'll be on the hunt for a good while, not finding it. Let's take a look at this little branch. This looks like it might be something. I don't know, I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it here. Let's look at one of these. That's where it was cut. Now look, right there. Not seeing it there either. So it is going to be difficult to find. There's no question. Like I said, I've never seen it before. The only time I've seen it is in that piece that I showed you in the beginning of the video. So this is going to be a tough one to spot. I think I already grabbed that branch. So hopefully going forward we can find some. We'll just stay on the lookout. Look at this piece. This is a lot more broken down. But it still doesn't have the features we're looking for. He says it's probably going to be really difficult to find. Let's look at this one just for fun. Not there. So we'll keep looking. Alright folks, this pile has a bunch of spalted live oak branches. Okay? So let's look at them. Is that what we're looking for? Not so much. Is that what we're looking for? I mean, that's nice. Might have to take something. Is that what we're looking for? No. Look at this bigger one. It's got a lot of bug activity, so this is not so much. It's really, really super soft wood too, so that's not going to be what we're looking for. What about this branch? Is that what we're looking for? It doesn't look like it. So these branches, I mean, they're pretty heavily bug-eaten and spalted. So we can say that this isn't showing what we want. All it takes is that one branch, though, to really make things turn around. I don't see it in there. Let's look at this one down here. Hopefully that could have something, yeah? You would see it right away. It'd be very obvious. Check the other side. No. So unfortunately, we're not seeing it. This one looks good though, so I'm probably gonna take all the way up to there on that one. Well folks, just found a huge pile of laurel oak. We're gonna take a look at it. So immediately I see this one here. Boom. That's probably gonna be an amazing piece. Lots of figuring right in there where it connects to the main stem. Same thing with this one. Ton of figuring probably gonna be in there. But that core, uh-oh, not good. You're still gonna have a lot of opportunity though. That core looks pretty dang good. That core looks good. Look at these smaller branches. These are what you want too. These are really nice. Look at that, huh? This is some good wood. Looks like it came off of that tree right there. Look at that huge branch. It's gonna have a ton of figuring on that top end where it splits. So yeah, this is the pile. I don't see any live oak and I don't see any spalted branches, but this is going to be good stuff to use. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and grab this one right here. It's big, it's got a lot of spalting already. It's going to be heavily figured on the inside because it has all these branches that come off from the one location, so I might as well grab it. All right, let's open up, and that's what we got. We're gonna go ahead and cut this one right now. So we have the piece that we found out in the wilderness that we're gonna cut, but I also want to cut this piece that I was showcasing to you in the beginning of the video so we can see exactly what we have. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna have to tighten up this edge. And bam, look at that, huh? It's exactly what we were hoping for. Folks, we're gonna have some amazing pins out of this. Crazy. Yeah, so this thing Really showing some amazing details. Can't wait to finish. Now, let's see what we have here. Still looks pretty good. Let's see the other side. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, those I'm going to have to cut into blanks next. Only got 3 there, so we'll get 3 blanks. Let's see what we can turn this right here into. Okay, for starters, that's what we got. So the spalting looks pretty decent. Let's go ahead and cut it off of this side. And there we have it. That looks pretty dang good. Wow, look at this one. It's got a bug mark, but hey. And look at that. The spalting in this is actually pretty exceptional. So we're actually here producing, we're going to produce some blanks out of these, and this wood looks pretty good. I'm going to have to produce the blanks this way because this isn't wide enough. So our blanks will be parallel to the branch, not perpendicular. Right now we're making perpendicular cuts, but our blanks will be parallel. This one has a big old bug hole in the middle. That's gonna compromise things for us, so maybe we'll get something out of it. I don't know. This end's got the bug hole too. Here's the end when I talk about end. But yeah, not bad, huh? And then here, looks like the bug definitely affected a big portion of this. So I'm going to chop these down and show you the end result here in just a few minutes. All right, now if we look at these blanks, these are the extremely rare ones right here. This is some amazing material. I can't wait to see these pens after I turn this material. I can't turn it yet though because this stuff's not dry. It has to dry out for quite a long time. But you see that? Looks like cells, but they're not cells. It's just the way the spalting occurred inside. Just incredible. These are extremely rare. Then you have these. These came out really well. That was our pick right out of the pile today. So in the future I'll be turning these, and we should get some amazing pens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned because I got a lot more coming. Have a great day.